Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're tackling a common freezer dilemma, the ice maker taking up valuable space. If you own a Frigidaire GRSS2352AF or a similar model, you know that built-in ice makers are convenient, but sometimes you just need more room for frozen goods. We're going to show you how to easily turn off your ice maker to optimize that precious freezer real estate. Why turn off your ice maker? There are several great reasons. First and foremost, it's about space optimization. Removing the ice bin frees up a surprising amount of room for bulk purchases, large frozen meals, or just better organization. Think of all the extra bags of vegetables or containers of leftovers you could fit. Secondly, turning it off can lead to small energy savings. While not a huge power hog, an ice maker does consume electricity, and every little bit helps. Thirdly, you might appreciate the reduction in noise. Ice makers can be a bit noisy when cycling or dropping ice. Turning it off brings a little more quiet to your kitchen. Finally, it prevents issues like overflowing ice bins if you forget to empty them, or ice clumps forming if it's not used regularly. How to turn off your Frigidaire GRSS2352AF ice maker. This is usually a straightforward process. First, open your freezer door. Look inside the freezer compartment, specifically near the ice maker unit itself, which is often located on the top left or right side. You'll be looking for a control arm or a switch. On many Frigidaire models, including the GRSS2352AF, there's a metal wire arm or a plastic lever. If it's a wire arm, simply lift it up to the off or stop position. This physically prevents the ice maker from cycling and calling for water. If it's a plastic switch, it will typically be labeled on and off. Just slide or flip it to the off position. Once you do this, the ice maker will stop producing new ice. If you want to go a step further and completely disconnect the water supply to the entire refrigerator, which is recommended if you're going on a long vacation or moving, you'll need to locate the water shutoff valve behind your fridge or under your kitchen sink. This valve controls all water flow to the fridge, not just the ice maker. For simply optimizing freezer space, turning off the ice maker's internal switch or lifting the arm is sufficient. Confirming it's off and reclaiming space. After turning it off, you won't hear any more water filling sounds or the motor cycling. No new ice will be produced. Now for the best part, remove the entire ice collection bin. You'll be amazed at how much empty space you now have. This area is perfect for stacking larger frozen items, organizing smaller bags, or even fitting in items that previously wouldn't fit your freezer. Enjoy your newly optimized storage. Thank you so much for watching this quick guide. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment with your own space-saving tips, and consider subscribing to support the channel for more useful home tips and tricks. We really appreciate your support.